Hello everyone, welcome to the history of CAT. So today we solve a problem from SICI chapter which appeared in CAT 2020 from simple interest and compound interest. So what is given here? Viru invested 10,000 at 5% simple interest, and exactly after 2 years Joy invested 8,000 at 10% simple annual interest. After how many years Viru's investment with their balances, that is principal plus accumulated interest, will be equal? Okay, so this is very simple. Now let's start with Viru's investment. Viru invested 10,000. So what will be the amount? Principal plus the interest. Interest of 5% on 10,000. So 10,000 and it's 5%. This is the interest earned for how many years? N number of years. We don't know this. So this is what the time, the total amount which the Viru will get after the investment. Okay, principal plus interest. Similarly, what will happen with your Joy? Joy has invested 8,000 plus he is getting 10% interest on this 8,000. So 8,000 and it's 10% is what you will write it here. And Joy is invested after 2 years. Okay, so the number of years for which he has invested is n minus 2. Okay, both of them are equal. So when will they become equal? Again, here we can see this is principal and this is interest. Okay, so just find out the value of n. Okay, that's what will be your answer. How many years after Viru's investment with their balances, which is principal plus interest, will be equal? So after how many years will they be equal? So let us find out the value of n then. So this is very simple. Let's cut 5, this 100 gets cancelled with this. What are you left here is 500n. So this is 10,000 plus 500n is equals to 8,000 plus, let's cut this as well now. So this and this is gone. 800n, this is 800n minus, this will be 800 into 2, okay, which is nothing but 1,600. Now let's just solve this. So bring this here. This becomes 2,000. 2,000 plus 3,600. So this becomes 3,600 is what you get it here. Okay, 10,000 minus 8,000 is 2,000 plus 1,600. And this will be 800 minus 500n, that is equal to 300n. So n is equals to what? N is equals to, let's cut this, 3 ones are 3, 12s are. So n is equals to 12, and that is your answer. Okay, because it is being asked for how many year will be the Viru's investment. Okay, so Viru is investing for n number of years, and n is equals to 12 when the total investment, that is principal plus interest, will be equal. There's a theta question, so directly put the answer for that.